Hello and welcome to this video in the Google Ads training series. Today, we'll be doing a quick walkthrough of the Google Ads platform to get you familiar with the setup. I feel that while this is the most sophisticated ad platform in the world, it can be a bit overwhelming for a first-time user. The goal of this video is to acclimate you to the platform and make sure you're comfortable with navigating your ads account. Before we get started with the training, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday night for our Facebook group, where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. By subscribing, you're helping this channel reach more people and build out the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoy the video. Open your Google Ads account. Today, we are going to be discussing each section of the Ads account to build your comfort in navigating the platform. When you log in, you'll be greeted with a snapshot of your entire account. On the left-hand side is your navigation menu for all of your campaigns. The campaigns in the brighter white text are currently active, while the campaigns in the darker gray text are inactive. If you want to take a look at a specific campaign or type of campaign, all you need to do is click the link on the left-hand side. Any unfinished drafts will be at the bottom of this list. In the second column, you'll see the different levels of your campaign as well as a quick navigation option. Google segments its campaigns into 3 levels: campaign, ad group, and ad and extension level. Anything done at the campaign level impacts the campaign, ad group, and ad levels. Anything at the ad group level only impacts the ad group and ad levels. And then lastly, anything at the ad level impacts only the ads. Most of the work that we will be doing will be done starting at the campaign level by clicking campaigns in the middle column. The right section of the website is the overview of your performance for all your campaigns in your account over the specified period of time. If you have various different campaigns spanning multiple different verticals, seeing all this information at once is useless. My suggestion is to always view campaign level performance and not dig too deep into account level performance. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see a little wrench icon. This is your navigation menu. From here, you can go to anywhere inside of the Google Ads platform. If you're ever lost, simply click the wrench and go to the section you're looking for. One exception, if you need to get back to your campaign's overview screen, simply click Google Ads in the top left. Next. All right, so we're going to click the wrench, and underneath it is a little graph icon with all of your reports. The reporting section will give you an in-depth overview of whatever campaign, ad group, or ad you're interested in, and this is excruciating detail. You have been warned. This is a rabbit hole I like to travel down once a week to gather insight from the advertising that I had running for that week. While data is your friend, don't get too wrapped up in analyzing Google search data on a day-to-day basis. It will drive you crazy. Once you grow and have larger budgets, this advice does change a little bit, but starting every week is absolutely fine. That's all for today. This was designed to get you comfortable with the Google Ads platform and was understandably rather dry. Don't worry, we're going to start ramping up in the next training video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.